In the ever-evolving world of photography and videography, camera enthusiasts are once again abuzz with anticipation. The rumored arrival of Canon's next major APS-C mirrorless model, the EOS R7 Mark II, has stirred excitement across creative communities. Though Canon has remained silent on an official unveiling, a steady stream of leaks, industry whispers, and speculative insights have painted a compelling picture of what might be the next frontier in mirrorless innovation. Let's embark on an in-depth exploration of what could lie ahead for Canon's APS-C camera line. From enhanced resolution and cinematic video functionality to ergonomic refinements and potential pricing, this breakdown gathers all the anticipated upgrades, speculation, and industry logic surrounding this camera in the making. A legacy redefined. From the R7 to the R7 Mark II, to understand the significance of the EOS R7 Mark II, it's essential to revisit the story of its predecessor. The original EOS R7 carved a unique space in the mirrorless market by combining professional-grade features with a compact APS-C form factor. It stood as a testament to Canon's intent to dominate the mirrorless mid-range segment, offering a solid mix of speed, resolution, and affordability. But the rumored successor aims to go beyond refinement. It promises reinvention. Based on early insights, the R7 Mark II could represent a significant leap forward, positioning itself not just as an upgrade, but a redefinition of what an APS-C mirrorless camera can offer in 2025 and beyond. Sensor breakthrough, rumored 40-megapixel. APS-C sensor, among the most tantalizing whispers, is the introduction of a 40-megapixel sensor substantially sharper than the 32.5-megapixel unit found in the original. This jump in resolution could open new possibilities for professionals and hobbyists alike. Whether you're capturing expansive landscapes, fast-paced sports moments, or detailed commercial shots, a higher resolution sensor translates to greater flexibility in cropping, enlarging, and post-processing. Such a sensor would catapult the R7 Mark II into direct competition with high-end APS-C rivals, and potentially even some full-frame models where pixel count is a defining metric. Beyond sheer resolution, the sensor's expected advancements in dynamic range and low-light performance could elevate the camera's usability across diverse shooting environments. Cinematic leap, 8K video and high-speed 4K in. The video realm, the R7 Mark II is rumored to raise the bar dramatically with 8K video capabilities. This is no small feat for an APS-C body, and if true, would represent Canon's most advanced implementation of high-resolution recording in this sensor format. K-video brings with it a host of advantages, not just pixel density, but the ability to reframe and crop without sacrificing quality, as well as future-proofing for higher-resolution platforms. It also means more freedom in post-production, allowing for smoother integration of digital effects, stabilization, and zooming without noticeable degradation. Perhaps even more exciting for filmmakers is the talk of 4K at 120 frames per second. This frame rate is gold for slow-motion enthusiasts, enabling silky smooth footage that can add dramatic flair to any production. Whether you're documenting weddings, sports, or cinematic sequences, such high-speed capture modes allow for immense creative flexibility. An ergonomic overhaul. A bigger body with purpose Canon seems poised to rethink the camera's design and physical handling. Leaks suggest the R7 Mark II might arrive with a larger chassis, likely to accommodate more powerful internals while simultaneously improving grip and control. This change could be a welcome one. A roomier body provides more space for dedicated buttons and dials, tools many professionals consider indispensable for fast, tactile operation. Furthermore, the improved ergonomics would benefit users who frequently shoot handheld or use heavy telephoto lenses, ensuring comfort over extended sessions. The larger frame might also hint at compatibility with high-end accessories. Whispers about a new external cooling grip, potentially shared with the next iteration of the R5, suggest Canon is thinking seriously about thermals and extended 8K recording sessions. Shutter revolution, a future without the mechanical shutter? One of the most intriguing rumors involves a radical departure from tradition, the possible elimination of the mechanical shutter. If Canon opts for an all-electronic shutter system, it would mark a bold statement about the future of mirrorless photography. Electronic shutters offer numerous advantages: silent shooting for discrete environments, higher burst rates due to the absence of physical movement, and fewer mechanical failures over time. However, they also come with challenges, most notably rolling shutter distortion. For the R7 Mark II to pull this off successfully, it would need a sensor with a blisteringly fast readout, something that only the latest imaging technologies can deliver. If Canon achieves this, it could result in a camera that offers unprecedented speed and stealth, ideal for wildlife, street, and sports photography. Autofocus and burst performance, where speed meets precision. While little has been explicitly confirmed, it's safe to assume that the R7 Mark II will inherit and improve upon Canon's renowned dual-pixel CMOS AF system. With advancements in AI-driven subject detection, animal tracking, and eye autofocus, this camera could become one of the fastest and most accurate APS-C models available. Expect improvements in burst shooting as well. Combined with the electronic shutter, rumors suggest the camera might reach new heights in continuous shooting, possibly even exceeding 30 frames per second. For action and wildlife shooters, this could be game-changing, allowing critical moments to be captured with razor-sharp precision. Connectivity and media. Future-proofed features. Modern creators expect more than just solid performance. They need robust connectivity for a streamlined workflow. Anticipated upgrades include faster wireless transmission, Bluetooth 5.2 support, and perhaps even native cloud integration for instant backup. On the storage side, rumors hint at dual card slots, including one CF Express Type-B and one SD UHS-2, offering flexibility between speed and accessibility. This setup would cater to professionals shooting in high-resolution RAW or 8K video, while also allowing for in-camera backups or simultaneous recording. Display and viewfinder. A refined visual experience, while display specs are often secondary. To sensor performance, the R7 Mark II is rumored to bring notable enhancements in this area too. Expect a brighter, higher-resolution OLED electronic viewfinder, possibly at 5.76 million dots or more, and a fully articulated LCD touchscreen. These upgrades would not only enhance usability for videographers and vloggers, but also aid in manual IOM focus, color assessment, and composition. Release window. Mark your calendars as for availability. Industry insiders seem to converge on a release window in the second half of 2025. This timeline aligns with Canon's broader product cycle and gives the company ample opportunity to finalize features, iron out production, and strategically time the launch for maximum market impact, possibly ahead of key industry trade shows. Pricing. Speculation, a middle to high market. Pinpointing a price without confirmation is always tricky but educated. Guesses suggest the R7 Mark II will fall somewhere between $1,900 and $2,500 USD, depending on final specifications and bundling. This would position it firmly in the high-performance APS-C segment, but still within reach for serious enthusiasts and working professionals. It's also worth noting that with features rivaling full-frame competitors, this price range might offer exceptional value for money, especially if Canon delivers on its spec promises. Final thoughts. What the R7 Mark II means for the industry. If the collective rumors and leaks are even partially accurate, the Canon EOS R7 Mark II could shake up the camera industry once again. By bringing 8K video to APS-C, rethinking shutter mechanics, and delivering pro-grade performance in a compact format, Canon has the opportunity to redefine expectations in the mid-tier mirrorless space. From aspiring YouTubers and seasoned wildlife shooters to indie filmmakers and travel photographers, this camera could serve as the go-to choice for a wide variety of creators seeking portability without compromise. While the photography world waits for official confirmation, the anticipation alone has reignited conversations around APS-C systems and sparked a renewed appreciation for what's possible in smaller sensor cameras.